To connect your Amazon store to Indition SellerTools, click on the link to connect your Amazon store in the to-do list on your dashboard, or under Dashboard in the left side navigation menu, select Connect Amazon Store. On the Connect Your Amazon Store page, fill out the MWS Store Connection section by first entering your store name and marketplace location. After selecting your marketplace, copy the developer ID to be used later. For your merchant token and MWS auth token, you'll need to be logged into your Amazon Seller Central account as the primary user, which is the user who signed up for the account. On Seller Central, choose App Store in the navigation menu and select Manage Your Apps from the drop-down. On the Manage Your Apps page, click on the Authorize New Developer button. Enter Indition SellerTools in the developer's name field and paste the developer ID you copied earlier. Click the checkmark to give Indition SellerTools permission to connect to your account. Copy your seller ID from your Amazon Seller Central account and paste into the merchant token field on Indition SellerTools. Then, copy your MWS auth token from your Amazon Seller Central account, and then paste into the MWS auth token field on Indition SellerTools. Click on the Connect button. A notice will display when successfully connected. To use the ad optimization and content optimization tools, you'll need a login with Amazon. After successfully signing into Amazon, you'll be taken to the Manage Store page where you can edit if needed in the future.